I do that.
Mm.
They clipped onto the boards with bulldog clips to straighten and flatten them out before we frame around the wood. Actually, Don isn't happy with the masonite, so he wants to go and buy decent wood for the frames. But until then, we're just keeping the canvases not rolled up. Yeah, so that's what it's going to look like eventually, sort of, against the black wall in Shaden's room. Pretty cool. Ah, boy, do you like it? Oh, that's very convincing. But anyway, it looks nice at night. I'll take a video tonight when the neon lights are on in his bedroom. Then it really pops with the neon blue lights at night.